So we're still hearing one or two small grumbles. Yes, yes. Now that the dates are set for the now postponed Tokyo Olympics. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know why though. Outside of the little inconvenience and the additional costs associated, all concerned should be thankful that it's a postponement and not a cancellation. And under the circumstances of what is happening in the world right now, we're lucky we still have Olympics to look forward to. And with all the unanswered questions and the tension and the fear about this COVID-19 virus, the way it has crippled the preparation of the athletes and blighted the opportunities for competition this season, a 1-year delay is probably the best possible outcome that the athletes, coaches, and the organizers could ask for. I mean, we can't know for sure, but the reasonable assumption is that this thing should clear up in at most the next 6 months. And that would give all the parties involved adequate time to heal the mental and psychological scars and open the doors for well-rested athletes to concentrate on the proper and timely preparation for the Olympics. So all is well that is looking to end well. We are the boss. We are the, you are postponing the Olympics again.